No. I was I'm at Vulcan, Alberta, Canada, and I'm rail fanning, so I'm seeing if I can get a video of a train because, you know, I like trains. That furniture outfield over there is nice. That's I forgot what it's called, but bro, I just saw a license plate and the letters on it were GTA. There were horses in there, which is normal. We're in a rural town, which with a lot of farms and acreages around it. I would say the closest places around Vulcan are Ensign is pretty close. Kirkcaldy is pretty close. Ensign is like a hamlet, same with Kirkcaldy. But Kirkcaldy is even a small hamlet. It's small for a hamlet. Dang, bro's doing a peace sign. And there's a village called Champion, that's pretty close, and a village called Carmangay. A hamlet called Brant. Nanton is kind of close, but I'm not going to count it. Like, a lot of my friends live on a farm because it's literally pretty much everything here is a farm. And yeah. I'd say, Arrowwood is probably in the county. Mossley is probably in the county. You know, Mossley, like the place where they have like the train, like the Halloween train and stuff. Yeah, the Legion is the place over there. That's where you can vote here. Obviously, I can't vote, but other people can, adults can. There's an Esso down there, and a Petro-Canada, and a Subway, and an A&W. A nice Chinese restaurant, even though I don't like Chinese. Some of the food they got there is pretty good. Oh no, Blackie I don't think would be in the county. No, it wouldn't. I think those are all the places in the county. That's because Vulcan has like a name, like apparently a place in Star Trek. There's a Star Trek museum over there. Pretty much all our attractions are that. Yeah. So I'm just rail fanning. Sounds like I have a southern accent, but I don't. It's just the way I'm talking right now. Pretty much, dude, it's still spring here and it's already burning hot. This is pretty much how our weather works here in southern Alberta. Oh, that's the horse trailer, the same one, dang. I don't care though, I don't care about horses. But I bet a lot of you watching do, or at least some of you, but if you're from Vulcan County. There is, so winter here, freezing cold. If you're from like California, like Texas, you won't make it one day in winter here. But spring, the first little part of spring is like freezing, just like winter. Then all of a sudden it just gets like kind of cold, kind of warm, you don't know. All of a sudden, boom, burning hot. Like right now it's still spring and it's burning hot. Summer, even worse, burning hot. Like I'm melting right now. And then there is, of course, fall. Fall is like burning hot for the first like week. Sorry, there's a lot of cars over here, so it's loud. Then the second week and the third and the fourth week of fall. Oh, the second and third week is just like, it's really cold, but it's not snowing. And then finally, freezing cold, won't make it alive, like winter. That says Vulcan County. Vulcan County. This is the administration building. Butterfly. Yeah. Oh, they're turning onto me. Oh yeah, by the way, this is Main Street. That's the Main Street Railroad crossing over there. The other two railroad crossings are down there. Probably shouldn't pause like that on the road. Oh God, I hope there's a train here. It's burning hot outside. I think it's like 24, 25 degrees Celsius. Don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. That's like 80, I think, or 70. I don't know. Maybe 90. I don't know. Just look it up, okay? Get the Fahrenheit to Celsius. Get the Celsius to Fahrenheit translator. And usually when I'm talking about speed, get the kilometers per hour to miles per hour. Because I know a lot of you watching, out of the little bit that watches, are from America, then Canada, then like the Philippines and India and stuff. Which is strange. You can see a switch there. Oh yeah, you can see the second railroad crossing down there, but not the third. This is a pretty good town to move to though. If you live close by though. Or if you're a refugee actually. We got a whole Esso. Yeah, you know Essos are good. We got a whole Petro-Canada. Those are also pretty good, and they're pretty big. Like the only other Petro I remember is the one in Alderside. Which the train tracks there are the Alderside subdivision, so. Yeah, I'm gonna end this though. Unless there's a train. I'll do a hat reveal Also, actually, I have two hats. So this is the one that I'm wearing right now. Next week, be wearing the other one. Oh yeah, more things. We have an A&W, which is first fast food restaurant. They're pretty good. Subway, they're pretty good too. We have so many museums like that one. We have a furniture villa to get tons of awesome furniture. You can vote here. We got our own county. Bye.